Solstice is easy for anyone to use, but even the most tech-savvy can get stumped from time to time. So this video will help you through anything you need to know about Solstice. Sharing your screen can be done 3 different ways. Selecting desktop will duplicate your desktop onto the Solstice display. This will allow audio to play through the Solstice display, but some devices will play audio through both the Solstice and the device. Selecting App Window will allow you to select an open window to send the Solstice display. Selecting an entire browser window will allow all tabs to be viewed within the window, but will hide every other browser window. Selecting Media will open your system's file explorer and allow you to display entire files to the Solstice display. Compatible files are listed on the screen. The best way to keep meetings and conferences moving smoothly is good layout management. Under the Layout tab, you can open multiple displays such as app windows and show them at the same time or different displays when it is more convenient. To prioritize a display when displaying 2 or more displays, go to Layout, then double-click the screen you want to prioritize. The selected display will appear larger than the other ones, but they should still be visible. To lower the prioritized screen, just select any empty space on the layout screen to move all screens back to their regular size. If you want to hide a display, you can move the unwanted display to the tall vertical box on the left, where it will remain hidden until you bring it back out. Solstice can be used to host conferences. To do this, select Conference, then install the drivers. Click through the installation wizard and start the installation. You can schedule conferences in your Microsoft Calendar. Solstice is integrated with Microsoft's Calendar application, so your meeting should appear. In the Conference tab, you can either join an existing conference or start a new conference. To leave any conference, press Command-Alt-C. You can adjust the settings to make Solstice easier for you to use and customize the application to fit your needs. In the general settings, you can change your username, but we recommend using your real or preferred name, especially if you use Solstice regularly in the classroom. You can also change what kind of notifications you can receive while presenting. Under the Control tab, you can turn on and off Quick Share, which allows you to tell Solstice to automatically share your desktop as soon as you join. You can turn on Auto Share Audio with Desktop, which sends audio to the Solstice display. You can hide as soon as you share, which automatically hides Solstice in a blue bar at the top of the screen when sharing. Solstice Location Service finds displays and connection services for quick connections. There are also a few conference settings that can be changed. You can sign in with your Microsoft account to fully integrate your calendar with the Solstice conference schedule. You can change the hotkey to close the conference, and you can also enable the ability to allow your display to present to remote participants with SharePod display.